This is how to make blueberry and orange soda. Scale 225 grams or a half pound of plump blueberries into a mixing bowl and add 60 grams of a good quality honey. I am using local clover honey because it adds a nice subtle floral flavor. Add the zest and juice of an orange. The orange zest is where all the flavor is and complements the natural sweetness of the blueberries. The orange juice is the acid that helps to separate the blueberry syrup from the blueberry pulp. Sous vide is a style of cooking that uses a water bath heated to an exact temperature for long periods of time. To cook the blueberry-orange mixture into a syrup using the sous vide method, transfer the mixture to a freezer bag, remove the excess air, and seal the bag. Cook the blueberry-orange mixture in a water bath using an immersion circulator set at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit and set a timer for 30 minutes. Transfer the hot bag of blueberry syrup to an ice bath to cool before putting the bag into the refrigerator. Allowing the syrup to cool in the refrigerator overnight before straining creates a deeper, longer lasting flavor because the orange zest and the blueberry pulp have a longer time to infuse into the syrup. Strain the cooked blueberries through a fine mesh sieve into a measuring cup. It is the syrup that we use for the soda pop, so do not worry about forcing all of the blueberry pulp through the screen. The recipe yield is about 200 milliliters of a very sweet blueberry syrup. Blueberries have a lot of pectin naturally, so when the blueberry juice is cooked, the juice syrup thickens naturally as well. Fill a 500 milliliter wide mouth mason jar full of ice and pour 100 milliliters of blueberry orange syrup over top of the ice. Fill the glass to the top with soda water. I am using a 1 liter ECCO2 soda siphon, but bottled carbonated water works too. Give the soda a little stir and serve.